got damaged, but he took it for repair, and it was put back into a good condition. Okay, so let's go to questions about our passage, and we are going to answer our questions in full sentences. Number 1 is saying, what is the name of the motorist in the passage? What is the name of the motorist in the passage? Okay, so let's go back to our passage. Our passage was talking about a motorist. Okay, and that motorist's name is Peter. The name is here in the passage. Have you seen it? So how shall we answer this question? We shall say the name of the motorist in the passage is Peter. The name of the motorist in the passage is Peter. Can we read together? The name of the motorist in the passage is Peter. So that's how we have answered our number 1 in full sentences. We got number 2. Number 2 is saying, why do people like the motorist? Why do people like the motorist? So let's go back to our passage and we look for where you think the answer is. Let's start reading from here. Everyone likes him because he is a careful motorist while driving along the road. So I think this one is the reason as to why these people like him. So how shall we answer our question? The question is, why do people like the motorist? So we shall say, so this is where we have got our answer from. We shall say, people like the motorist. People like the motorist because he is careful while driving along the road. People like the motorist because he is careful while driving along the road. Are we together? Let's go. So we are still continuing with our questions. Let's go to question 3. Question 3 is saying, what is the title of the passage? What is the title of the passage? So let's go to our passage still, and we see where we are going to get the title from. Remember, the title is the first or are the first words from the beginning of that passage. Okay, they always write them in capital letters and then in bold. So for example, here our title is this one, a motorist. Our title is a motorist. So for us to answer in full sentence, we shall say the title of the passage is a motorist. Let's write our answer here. The title of the passage is a motorist. The title of the passage is a motorist. That is how we have answered number 3. Let's go to number 4. Number 4 is saying, which parts of the motorcycle were damaged? Which parts of the motorcycle were damaged? So let's still go to our passage and we see where are we going to get our answer from. Let's first go to this paragraph 3, where they have said the side mirrors, indicators, and one of the tires got damaged. So I think this is where we are going to get our answer from. So for us to answer our question, we shall have to follow the question, what the question is saying. The question is saying which parts of the motorcycle were damaged. So we shall list down the parts which were damaged. We shall say the side mirrors, indicators, and one of the tires were damaged. The side mirrors, indicators, and one of the tires were damaged. Okay? So let's go to number 5. Number 5 is saying, apart from the mentioned parts of motorcycle in the passage, mention any 2 other parts of a motorcycle. Apart from the mentioned parts of motorcycle in the passage. Mention any 2 other parts of a motorcycle. Okay, so let's mention together. One of them is the brakes. Okay, brakes is also another part of the motorcycle. Then we have